What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Like Made Easy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your files from your mobile phone to your PC on Windows 10 or from your PC to your mobile phone on Android. Let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is take your USB cable that comes with your phone. So this one that plugs into your computer right here. Standard USB 2.0, 3.0, whatever, and then whatever is here. I have a USB-C cable. Focus, whatever. I have a USB-C cable for my phone, so just plug it in, and then it's going to prompt you on your phone. It's going to ask, like, do you want to allow to transfer data between, or trust this device or whatever. Click allow. That should be all good. And then you can make your way over to your file explorer on your PC, and it'll tell you what your phone's called. So for me, it's this VS. Hold on, let me move my cursor. 988. It'll let you know what it is, so don't worry. So then you can click on that, and from here you can access all your stuff. Anything you want. This is all on your phone. These are all the files on your phone right here. So you can basically go to anything you want. Pictures, all these. So I have my logo on here, and from here you can basically copy it if you want to do copy here and paste it in something else, or you can literally just drag it to another thing on your computer and it will transfer instantly. It's that easy. Now I'm going to show you how to go from your PC to your actual mobile phone. So for that, let's say you're just doing a screen recording on Xbox, like I showed my previous video. Record mic, so you're saying blah blah blah, here's my video, I'm going to be playing Fortnite or whatever, watching a ninja video or creating a ninja highlight reel or whatever like that. You're doing that, and then bring it back up again. Finish recording it. Game recorded. Go back to your file explorer, and then where does it save? It saves in videos. Go to videos, and then go to captures, and it'll be right here. I recorded one earlier, but yeah, this is the one I have. And then from here, hold it down. Drag it over here to your phone file name, and then drop it into internal storage. And from here you can see it's now on my phone, and this transfers in real time. So as soon as you drag it here, it'll be on your mobile phone in your either download section or like under your, or in images, since this, or your gallery on your phone, since this is a video. Most likely going to be in your gallery, could be in your downloads, I'm not sure. Most likely go with your gallery. That's where it is on mine. I have an LG G6 for Android. So yeah, and then I will show you, I'll jump over to a screencast of my phone to show you this actually works. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in my gallery on my phone. This is my gallery, as you can see, gallery app. And here it is. It creates a separate folder for it. You can click on it and show that this is the thing. It's views by external display. Oh yeah, that's not a problem. So as you can see, it copies it into your download folder, and from here you can upload it to any editing app you want. So if you want to transfer files that easy, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, and go check out my other videos I've recently uploaded. I'll put a card in the top right corner. Subscribe, turn on notifications, comment what you thought, and yeah, that's it.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.